Perhaps you have a commercial customer that needs a proposal built for radon testing. To do that, you'll select the appointment type radon testing, number 8. Advance to the next screen, and you're going to see 3 questions right here. Okay, so don't want to overcomplicate this at all. When we do testing quotes, it's very straightforward. In Radon Shield Pro, if you answer these 3 questions, we'll pre-populate every type of test kit that is needed with the appropriate quantities and the prices, however you have them set up in your administration portal. And then it's going to build a proposal with all of the notes that are relevant to radon testing built into the package. So it's a great time saver. You don't have to recreate the wheel. It's all very straightforward. And the thing that I get most excited about with this section is we can build proposals to get work. And the projects are testing, right? So I don't need to send a sales rep there. I can send a licensed production rep there, or production member there. And instead of installing systems, I could send 1 or 2 guys out in the field, and they can set up test kits all day. And by the way, there's a great price that you could charge for this. It's good money for the company, and the crews really love it because it seems to be easy work compared to what they're used to. So the data collection portion on this is we basically need to put in the number of testing locations on the lowest level. So currently at the time of this video, HUD and ANSI protocol requires 100% of lower units and every 2,000 square feet for larger spaces. So we'll put in the number of test kits. So if we have 100 units on the ground floor, then we're going to put in 100 right there, right? For testing locations. Number of testing locations on the upper floor location, HUD and ANSI protocol require 10% of the upper units to be tested. And so we're going to manually calculate, 10% of the total. So that'd be 10 in this scenario with 100 units on the ground floor. And so we mark 10 for uppers to be tested. It's going to pre-populate any blanks that are needed, any duplicates that are needed. It doesn't include spike tests. It can if you want to, but those are a little bit more complex. And then last but not least, you'll want to make sure you put in a project management fee for this because you are sending a crew there to do the testing. You have licensing to pay for. Getting project fees to help pay for that is a bonus, right? So we want to make sure that we do at least 10% of the project if it's larger. But most of my jobs that I do for testing and commercial, I do a minimum of $1,000 for the actual project fee itself.